there. Oh, slightly short, smashed away. Is he going to race away all the way to the line? Just slowing up.
A feast on that, and despite the slow nature of the outfield, he's pierced the gap and he's off the mark with a boundary.
Oh, that one's lifted high. And Carey's picked up beautifully. Thought he might have got under a little bit, but safely away to the rope.
He's kept that elbow nice and high. As you can see, he doesn't pick his bat up too highly, but he's just held his shape, full face of the bat, and he's just deposited that.
Oh, short, pulled away. Great shot. Zip.
Like his length back, and Sharjeel Khan is hanging on the back foot and has deposited that to the square leg boundary.
Oh, that's picked up beautifully. Saw that early. Took it on the full, just over pitched from, well, not pitched at all, but slightly full toss from McCall. Again, driven away. That's a beautiful shot, and it's 4 more.
Taking that test again. Oh, at the moment, bowlers are taking a test again.
Grounds here in Pakistan, in Ireland, aren't big enough for Sharjeel.
Oh, it's a top edge. Is it going to carry?
Hello, John. Yes, it was a bit of a chance. Just got a little bit high on him. Got it high on the bat. Not surprising.
Right side edge, 4 more.
Fairly tall. So he'll extract that bounce from just short of a length, which is going to pin the batsman back into the crease. So he's not going to be able to get that stride into the ball.
And pulled away. Murtagh's down there. He'll cut that one off. No, he won't. Just... pulled away, big hit. Oh, carries the rope.
Easy. He hasn't missed out on any of those shots all day.
Oh, he goes big. That's into the crowd. Massive hit by Sharjeel Khan.
That was all timing. Doesn't overhit it, allows the ball to come to him, and just a flick of the wrist.
Short, pulled away again. Too high for the fielder, safely carries.
Next, and now he's been so hot on this shot all day. Just back of a limb, swivels around, hits it straight over the deep square leg's head.
23 runs off the over, 21 gone, it's 136 for 2. Short, pulled away again. Too high for the fielder, safely carries the advertising hoarding. Another 6.
Now he's been so hot on this shot all day. Just back of a limb, swivels around, hits it straight over the deep square.
Straying down the leg side a little bit. Oh, and there it is, misfield. Went past O'Brien on the half volley. It was a tricky one to get. The 100 comes up for Sharjeel Khan. His teammates stand to applaud him. Great innings for Sharjeel Khan. His first ODI 100. His teammates delighted with him. Look what it means to Sharjeel Khan. And there's huge applause around the ground as well from all the Pakistan supporters here.
A magnificent century. Tickles it down the leg side. Bit of a misfield.
But they just can't stop the boundaries coming. That is Sharjeel Khan's 6th maximum, and seemingly unable to stop the boundary.
Seems to have it all. Power, timing, and placement. Oh, and a great catch in the crowd.
Short ball, rock backs of it. This time, well over the square leg boundary for another maximum.
Well, it doesn't matter if you bowl over the wicket or around the wicket. He is hot on that shot. He's got this great ability to just little forward press and just transfer a weight. And he allows his hands to get underneath the ball. And always seems to middle it straight from there, nice and high. What he does is tries to get underneath the ball.
This time, long off the long and go back. We've brought up square leg, but offering that width. He's just got the hands through the ball. Pakistan moved the third fastest 150 in ODI history, overtaking Luke Runchi against Sri Lanka in 2015, third behind A.B. de Villiers and Shane Watson.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार, लाइक मारो। और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।